Is it recording?
I got it, bro.
Okay. Okay guys, today I have another crazy meat assembly video for you. Today we're gonna prank my friend John. Just a small prank, nothing too crazy. Oh, what's up, John?
Hey guys, how you guys doing?
What's up, bro?
Are we filming
Just
ready?
bring the camera. It's fine.
Yeah.
John here thinks we're about to film a video. Little does he know, he's about to get pranked.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Ooh, look who just got pranked, son! This guy got pranked by the prank king! Yeah!
Yo, bro, is he okay?
He's fine. John, wake up, man.
What the hell?
Ow! Hurt.